Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this is video number 1201. Yeah, buddy, that's 1201 units that I've sent back to customers, and with pretty good results, I think. So this unit I'm demonstrating now is it's a Superscope slash Sony slash Marantz. This time it says Superscope by Marantz. A TDR 830, pretty nice deck, and this one needed a new motor, so I got my adjustable speed motor in there if the speed should drift. Unlike how the deck was before, the owner can actually get in there and adjust the speed because 8-track motors tend to slow down a little bit over the year. So let's go ahead and pop in some Neil Sedek and make sure it works. Okay, that takes care of that. There's just not that much a test on a home deck. There's no virtual balancer fader. There's no Bluetooth, no USB, no HD radio. It's just a tape deck. So that takes care of that. So to reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me to ask about my options, prices, and turn times, because all those questions are already answered in the work order, and it's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone, which keeps me on the bench where the work gets done and off the phone where the work doesn't get done. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Jesse, for your business all the way from, looks like a Pocatello, Idaho, and we'll see you guys next time.